Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade A53 Pro, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this device. So, before we get started, you will need to grab one of these things, a SIM ejector, which comes provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located on the top left side of the phone, where the pin is holding right now. Push the pin in, and you will see that the tray pops out. Now, it actually gives us a nice animation on the versatility. So here we can have SD card and SIM card, or two different SIM cards. And as you can see, you just swipe them out depending on which one you want to use. So I'm gonna take it out. And you can see it's, well, you can no longer see that it's exactly the same. But anyway, I'm gonna place one of each. So here is my SD card. And here's the SIM card. Now I'll mention that the SD card that I'm about to insert is not working. So it will probably cause some problems or give like a weird message. But again, and there we go. So it shows us that it's unsupported SD card. It's just broken. So SD card is working, and we have reception as well. So our SIM is working as well. Now that is how you would insert your SIM and SD card into this device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.